Hi guys, I'm so excited to show you guys what I've done with my patio table. Um, if you have a worn out table, either inside your home or outside where it faces the sunlight and it's pretty well damaged, this is the way to go. All I did was sanding, and I used for the first time Limewash, which is a different type of application, but same way as if you are staining. So if you don't want to use Limewash, you can go ahead and do the stain with whatever wood color of your choice. And that was it. Stay tuned to see what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. Please show me some love underneath right here. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.